Alright guys, check this out. I got the sample of these Twinnings cold infused flavored water enhancer. So you could almost just say it's just tea. So, but it's a water enhancer, they label it. This is a sample of 75 cents off. I'm going to do a quick taste test for you right now. Came with 2 packs. This one here is the mango passionfruit. So they look literally like tea bags. So there you go. There's the ingredients. If you guys want to read this, pause the video. So it's got white hibiscus, rose hips, apple pieces, chicory root. There we go. So yeah, we're gonna have my water right here, and we're gonna put it in my cup here. So I'll be right back. Okay, so here it is. It smells really nice. Okay, it is really literally like a tea bag, guys. It's like a high-end tea bag that's made of like silk. But literally, it's a high-end tea bag. Has nice aroma. You can see the little, almost like fruit inside, and it has a nice smell, like a really aromatic hibiscus mango scent. So I'm gonna stick that in here. There you go. Add the water to it. Alright, now moving to the top. Check that out. And we let it sit. And it's pretty cool. But I don't know how much these things cost, so it's just a tea bag. Literally, you can just put a tea bag in there and add cold water. So instructions is drop one infuser into 500 ml of water, shake it occasionally, leave infuser, and enjoy. Prepare and consume within 8 hours. Alright. That's the instructions. Let's try this out. It's got some nice, think of it like infused water basically. It's just like, think of it like adding cucumber to your water or adding mint to your water. Or lemon. It's like that, but easier and more convenient and really more aromatic. It does have a really good mango and passion fruit smell to it, so that is really cool. But yeah, I don't know what the cost is on one of these things, but I don't know if I would pick it up, but definitely check it out though. If you're into infused water, this is something you can try, but I'm actually curious of how well this would work with sparkling water, so I might give that a go on my next video. Stay tuned guys. If you have any questions, comments, please subscribe to the channel.